Welcome to this video on how to connect AI providers to your Mantium application. This is the first thing you need to do before you can start building applications with the Mantium no-code platform. So let's get right to it, and I'll show you how to connect with AI providers. This is the Mantium developer documentation, and here you find a step-by-step on how to connect with AI providers. So we do support 3 AI providers. We support AI21, Cohere, and OpenAI. So you can navigate. I'll drop the link in the description below. So you can navigate to this documentation site, and you can find it useful to connect with AI providers. So I'll make use of OpenAI as the example for this video. So visit beta.openai.com. You want to create an account. If you have an account already, you want to log in. So after logging in, grab your API key. So how do you grab your API key? Navigate to the top right corner as shown in this screenshot, where you see our personal button. Click on that and then click on view API keys. Then you can just grab the API key which you connect on the Mantium platform. So going back to the Mantium platform, that is app.mantiumai.com. If you don't have an account, sign up by creating an account. Then navigate to AI providers. So under AI providers, we have OpenAI, Cohere, AI21 Labs. So just like you have your OpenAI key, paste it here and you've successfully connected that. The same process goes for Cohere. Grab your Cohere key or AI21 Labs as accurately described in this documentation. So you create an account on AI21 Labs platform, and then you can copy your API key. Then you can successfully connect that by pasting that in this input field and add the API key. When you see this icon, this green icon, it shows that you successfully connected your API key to the Mantium platform. Then you can start building your application with the Mantium platform. That's it on how to connect with AI providers on the Mantium platform. It's an important step before you start building AI text applications with the Mantium no-code platform. If you need any help, scan this barcode and join us on Discord. We'll be happy to help you and welcome you to our community.